Hello you guys, welcome back to another video. Today you guys requested to play some more Monkey See, Monkey Do, so here I am. Let's go. I'm not gonna turn on voice chat or anything because I don't want to, By the way, I saw I was flashing. This is like a limited time mode. This is like a limited time mode. So you guys on my poll, I'll put a thing up right now. It's magic. Alright, delete that thing, future me. Oh yeah, but guys didn't know I work alone. I might do some labs with people sometimes. I don't do labs, and I live by myself. What is this? Wait, is this like a secret cosmetic thing? So in Hub you have this really cool thing. Oh, by the way, next I'm gonna do Penguin Paradise for a video like this. Yeah, so the poll, more on about the poll. So this is just gonna be Monkey See, Monkey Do, but I'm just gonna explain a lot of things. So back onto the poll. The poll thing, I did a video on it. If you didn't see that video, go check it out. Yeah. That I might also redo this video. I'm not sure. I might do. You can see my POV. Yes, I'm ready. I'm not gonna redo it. So, anyways. So, yeah, back onto the working alone thing. So, if one of you text on my shorts, okay, text code throughout this video. If you try and find it, I'll add you. If you try and find it and get your username, I'll follow you on Oculus. If you have an Oculus, of course. Yeah, so there's going to be a code hidden out on this entire video, and if you type in the code, I'm going to make a short, type in the code there, and yeah, so that thing is done. Oh, I need to tell you guys a story about one of my teeth. I know this is weird. Yes, it's very weird. So what happened to my tooth was, before this, I think I had I don't even know, I was playing and I think I snapped my tooth in half because it wasn't like that before, and I was like, yo, can you check out my tooth real quick? And I forgot who it, and yeah, I flashed the phone light, the phone light on my thing, and I saw the tooth. It was snapped in half, and I was like, oh my. And then later on when I went to bed, I felt the tooth coming out. But it was no ordinary tooth. It was half of the snapped tooth. And I'm like, what? No way. And then a few seconds after, I dropped it and there's blood everywhere. I think I've got a picture of it. I can't show you it because then it'll violate YouTube's guidelines. And I don't want to do that, do I? So I might put it, if this gets so many likes, I have to get that. I have to get that. Yeah, if this gets a load of likes, then I'll put the video on YouTube. Maybe that's the thing. Maybe. Alright, let me just quickly, Yeah, okay, alright, back to the actual video. So join this Discord. Discord GG Monkey Do VR. And join my Discord. I forgot what it was. I'll put it on the screen right now. I won't make a link to it. I don't know how to. So yeah. So that's. Is there any other stories that I have to tell? Oh yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna quickly do a quick tutorial on how to do the poop flying glitch. It's not a glitch, it's an actual thing. So when it was like May the 4th we May the fart be would do, that was it. Not May the 4th be. So when you see this, it has like this code thingy. You type in May the fart be with DOO. No. You know what I mean. And then upload message. Oh wait. Yeah, I think you need to put a space between all of them. Or it's either limited time. I got it when it was the Star Wars day. Well, for me in my school. Yeah, so on Monday I won't be uploading that much. School's a bit hard now because it's just getting harder. Yeah. Alright. I will try and upload as many videos as I can tomorrow. Tomorrow I might play Nox Tag, which is technically you can go Gorilla Tag, but back in time. I might put it on this video, I'm not sure. Yeah, alright. I'm gonna get done recording the Nox Tag and I'll upload that too, maybe with it. So